Hello, welcome to the Family Distance Support Learning Training video. This is our second video that we are providing to parents, and this evening we're going to talk about a little bit about the MUSD20.org website and where to reach a lot of the resources. So first of all, this morning, our first video, we went over how to log into your computer. We also covered Symbaloo, Florida Virtual, and Buzz, which is our K-5 learning management system. And then we also went over a few of the basics for Edgenuity, which is our 6 through 12 learning management system. So this evening when I'm going through the website, I'll show you how to get to this first video, but those were some of the basics that we covered this morning. So we have our MUSD20.org website. I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab, go to MUSD20.org. Whenever you first get to our website, you'll see many different pictures and different pieces of information that are scrolling across the top. You also have the superintendent's message, a contact for the schools, registering online, tax credit information, lots of really good resources there at the top. If we keep scrolling down at the left, you'll see these announcements. I'm going to go through a few of these and show you how you can find a lot of the resources that might be able to answer some of your questions during online learning. So first we have the superintendent snapshot. Next is on-site learning. So underneath that is on-site learning. With this on-site learning, that'll be what it will look like whenever learning is taking place on different school sites. Underneath that, we have our Welcome to the 2020 School Year video. We also have our attendance procedures during online learning. So I'm going to click on that so you can see some of the information that is provided here. The biggest takeaways from this attendance procedure is to make sure that you're filling out that weekly distance learning log. So on this first side, left side. So filling out the weekly distance learning log and being present in synchronous learning or submitting your work for the day. So that's really important to remember whenever you're thinking about attendance procedures and how your child will be marked present during the day. Scroll down, back down there. We also have our updated calendar for the 2021 school year. The Welcome Back MUSD, I'm going to come back to that. That's the most important link on this page. So I'm going to come back to that here in just a minute. We have our invitation for racial healing. We also have a congratulations to our MHS class of 2020. Here is our COVID-19 updates. So any updates that we have about COVID-19 will be posted there. And then we also have a video about the Maricopa High School. So I'm going to go back up to this Welcome Back MUSD. This provides us with many other links to be able to have more information about online learning. So first of all, we would see that our current instructional status, in the center, our current instructional status is online and distance learning. Underneath that, you'll see a video from the superintendent snapshot as well. The learning plan, you can access that in the middle of the page. You can click on the distance learning plan from there to be able to read more details about what distance learning looks like. So I'm going to come back up here to the top left. Underneath our welcome back, we have our prevention protocols. So the different cleanliness protocols and different safety protocols that we would follow during COVID-19. We also have different agency guidance, so departments outside of MUSD, different things that they have given us that provide us guidance on what we need to do in our schools. Underneath that, we have about brick and mortar. So what will brick and mortar learning look like, and when might that happen? Underneath that, we have online and distance learning. So we have the more information about what that looks like. Under online and distance learning, we have archived superintendent snapshots. So you can see the most recent one here on this home page. But if you want to see previous snapshots, you can click on that link and it will take you to see those. If your student is involved in our exceptional student services, this link could provide you with many different contact information and different pieces of information to make sure that their needs are being met. We also have governing board presentations and one of the most important parts, which is our frequently asked questions. So if you go to this frequently asked questions, some of them are about getting regular updates, picking up your laptops, how you can get trained on those online platforms, many, many different questions that you could possibly be answered for you in this part. So another very, very important part is this parent tutorials. This parent tutorials can help you from home by being able to see how to use a lot of our programs. So we have parent tutorials for Google Classroom in English and Spanish. We also have them for Google Meets in English and Spanish, Symbaloo, which is where you can access a lot of our online learning programs. We also have a technology quick guide, and the last one is our Blocksy information, so that parent portal. All of these can give you a ton of information on how to use all of those programs during online learning. Here, you can find your support guide and some information about Florida Virtual, which again is our K-5 learning management system. And then the last one on this page is Edgenuity, which is our 6 through 12 learning management system. There's different websites and different information that can be useful for how to access it and how to be able to answer your questions about those. So lots of information there. Here is where you'll access the first video. So if you would like more information about Google Classroom, Florida Virtual, or Buzz, or Edgenuity, this would be the place that you would be able to watch this video and learn more about it. Again, the attendance procedures are listed there as well. So I'm going to go back up page. So that was our parent tutorials. Great information, lots there to help you with all of our learning management systems. Underneath the parent tutorials is probably the second most important part of this website, which is our technology website. This takes you to our checkout forms. You have our frequently asked questions and ways to get to technology assistance. So on the right of this page, you'll see our family support request. If you click on this student and family technology support form, a new tab is going to open and you're able to fill out information for us to be able to get back to you on how to support you with your technology. It is also a bit.ly link, so if you ever are asked to go to bit.ly/MUSD20 support, then it's going to take you to the exact same thing, which I'm going to go over that at the end again, but lots of great information on this technology part and different pieces to get assistance with it. So I'm going to go back to this previous page. So again, frequently asked questions, great place to start, see if your questions are answered. Parent tutorials gives you guides for each of those learning management systems that we have. Technology can hopefully answer all of those technology questions that you have. And then we have our teaching and learning page that kind of goes over what teaching and learning looks like right now. Our employee safe return is on here, and the last one is on-site learning, so it can give you information about that. So that is some of the highlights that you definitely would want to look at on our MUSD20.org website. Again, I want to say a huge thank you to our parents, our students, our teachers, and our technology staff for all of their hard work. I know this is not easy at times, so hang in there. It will get easier as we keep going through our online learning journey together. So again, if you need any additional support, you can contact our technology department with our bit.ly link, which is our bit.ly/MUSD20 support. That is case sensitive, so make sure that the S is capitalized. Our technology department can help you with issues with your computer. They can also help you with password resets, different technology issues like that. If you're having curriculum issues, so things with Google Classroom or not understanding an assignment, please contact your classroom teacher and they'll be able to answer your question from there. If they can't answer your question, then you could try the technology department and we could try to support you from there as well too. So thanks for watching this evening.